But we wanted to talk a little bit about the types of mushrooms. And I really wanted to share the fact that when you're looking at slicing mushrooms, perhaps outsource it. This is one of the ways that you can buy it. It's a new innovative pouch, a bag of fresh sliced thin mushrooms. And as you can see, 5 pounds creates 6 quarts.
Oh, wow.
So it's really a high yield product, full to the brim, one bag into this here, it equals out. So you've really got a great yield going. And then you can decide to use it in a variety of meals, from a double stuffed cheeseburger. You know how some places they stuff the cheese? What if you do with 2 patties with veggies between them?
Yeah.
So the high school kids really think they're getting something mammoth. And they're eating a serving of vegetables and loving it.